Picture a doorbell that isn't just a signal, it's a customizable melody, and the Echo Chime Harmony is your conductor orchestrating a modern welcome. Let's delve into the design, for the Echo Chime Harmony isn't just an indoor doorbell, it's a blend of aesthetics and functionality. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design seamlessly integrates into your interior decor. The button isn't just a switch, it's a touch point of technology that announces guests with elegance. It's not just a doorbell, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your home entry experience. But what truly sets the Echo Chime Harmony apart is its connectivity. This smart doorbell doesn't just ring, it harmonizes with your smart home ecosystem. Compatible with virtual assistants, it allows you to sync your doorbell with other devices, creating a synchronized melody of technology throughout your home. It's not just a doorbell, it's a seamless integration into your connected living space. Installation is a breeze with the Echo Chime Harmony. No need for complex wiring or a technician's expertise. The wireless design ensures easy setup, transforming your home entry into a realm of modern convenience. It's not just an indoor doorbell, it's an effortless upgrade to a harmonized smart home. Customization is the Echo Chime Harmony's virtue. It doesn't just announce arrivals, it lets you choose how. With a variety of melodies and tones, you can personalize your doorbell experience to suit your mood or the occasion. It's not just a doorbell, it's a personalized symphony of welcome. But what about security? The Echo Chime Harmony doesn't just prioritize melody, it prioritizes safety. Equipped with video doorbell capabilities, it provides a visual connection to your doorstep, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors through your smartphone. It's not just a doorbell, it's a guardian of your home entry. Now, let's talk about the experience. The Echo Chime Harmony isn't just a doorbell, it's a sensory delight. The harmonious melody, the visual connection, and the seamless integration with your smart home, it's a symphony of modern living. The experience isn't just about announcing guests, it's about welcoming them with style and technology. It's the melodious gateway you never knew you needed, turning the routine of door enunciation into a harmonized symphony. So, embrace the Echo Chime Harmony, where every ring is a note in the melody of modern living. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe.